Mastering your domain, a deep dive into a popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might have come across in movies, TV shows, or books. Master of my domain. This expression is rich in meaning and history, and understanding it can give you great insights into English-speaking cultures. Let's explore what it means to be a master of one's domain, its origins, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. The phrase, master of my domain, is often used to assert control or mastery over oneself or one's surroundings. At its core, it's about self-discipline, autonomy, and having the authority over a particular aspect of your life or situation. This can be literal, like being in charge of a place or a business, or figurative, referring to self-control and personal boundaries. Interestingly, the phrase gained much of its popularity from a famous American TV show, Seinfeld, in a 1992 episode titled The Contest. In this episode, it's used as a euphemism for maintaining self-control over one's urges. However, the expression itself is much older and has been used in various contexts to denote leadership, control, and sovereignty. You might use master of my domain in a variety of situations. For example, if you're talking about overcoming a personal challenge, like quitting smoking, you could say, I'm finally the master of my domain. Or, if you're discussing managing a team or running a business, you could use it to express your leadership and control in those scenarios. Here are a few examples. Personal achievement. After a year of hard work, I'm now the master of my domain in learning English. Professional context. As the project leader, I need to be the master of my domain to ensure our success. Self-control. In facing temptations, being the master of my domain is my greatest challenge. Understanding the phrase, master of my domain, not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you a glimpse into the nuances of English-speaking cultures. It's a powerful expression that conveys self-control, authority, and personal achievement. We hope this video has been insightful and encourages you to be the master of your domain in learning English and beyond. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.